Hello friends and welcome to English with Alex channel. Classroom verbs in English. Teach. Teach. She decided to teach the boy a lesson. Think. Think. I think you should go back to your original plan. Spell. Spell. How do you spell 3? T-H-R-E-E. Give. Give. It's better to give than to receive. Study. Study. She won a scholarship to study at Stanford. Read. Read. He likes to read detective stories. Cut. Cut. They cut the paper into small pieces. Experiment. Experiment. The teacher provided some different materials and left the children to experiment. Observe. Observe. I want you to observe all the details. Listen. Listen. You should listen to the teacher if you want to learn. Play. Play. She is going to play the piano to a big audience this evening. Sing. Sing. She is going to sing popular songs. Say. Say. It is better to do well than to say well. Draw. Draw. Can you draw a flower and a bee? Count. Count. The child can count from 1 to 100. Calculate. Calculate. You'll have to calculate the average. Open. Open. Don't open the door to strangers. It's not safe. Close. Close. Please close the door as you go out. Paint. Paint. I'm going to paint in the foreground. Show. Show. Follow me, please. I'll show you the way. Explain. Explain. You'd better go and explain to the teacher. Ask. Ask. Raise your hand if you want to ask for more explanation. Listen, repeat, practice. Thank you friends for watching. Bye for now and see you next lesson.